Hey y'all, what's up? I know it looks like my mouth is not moving with the words because it's not. I'm actually doing a voiceover. But basically, all I was saying is that we're getting ready to go to the beach. So just come along to the beach with us. We finally decided to get out and have some fun. We've been, when I say quarantine, it's not like, I don't mean like we've been quarantined because we were exposed, but we've been stuck in the house just like everybody else, just trying to stay safe away from the virus and stuff. But we decided this weekend that we were going to go to the beach, and we had a great time. I feel like the beach is kind of the only place that you could just go where you don't have to wear a mask. You're out in the open, and you can just soak up some of that sun and just relax. The beach is so relaxing to us, and we love the water and just to kind of just lay out on the beach. We don't really get in the water like that because it's so dirty out here, but we still, maybe put our feet in there or just enjoy the sound and just the views. So come along to the beach with us, and I hope you enjoy. So I hope everybody has been doing okay after this vlog, y'all. The vlogs, it's going to be some changes. There's been some major changes in our life, and I will update y'all on that coming up very soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you have your notifications on so you know when we post blogs. And yeah, get ready, y'all, because it's been some major changes. So get prepared. All right, y'all. We haven't made it to the beach just yet because we running in Walmart because we got to get us a kite. So here goes Serenity. Say hey. You ready for the beach? All right, so yeah, y'all, so we at Walmart, so let's go find us a nice little kite to take to the beach. We made it in Walmart after waiting outside. Well, we didn't wait that long, but this Walmart make you wait outside a little bit. I guess they're trying to control how many people are in here, but we made it in, and we look for the kite. Y'all, it's hot out there. Ooh, it's like 100. Yeah. Oh, what you thought? I didn't know. Ain't it them in here? I'll call her in a second. But okay, y'all, let's find the kites. I think probably been the toys back that way. It's been like this for a long time because since people can't go to the gyms and just kind of sitting around the house with the quarantine and stuff, this is what they doing. Riding bikes and stuff. Look at that. All the Walmart's been like this. All of them that I've been to. That's good. People getting their exercise, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm so sad. They say they may not have no kites, but let's make sure. They said go to Five Below a Dollar Tree. Oh, well, if they don't have none, we'll know next time. Oh, man. Okay, anyway, let's get to the beach.
That's a good one. Right,
this one? Oh, it's tight. Okay. All right, well, y'all gonna get a volleyball. Let's see if y'all can play that in the heat. All right, we got a volleyball, y'all. But I think we're not gonna be able to get a kite. We hoping. We just doing one last little walkthrough. Okay, let's go find Annie now. Okay, y'all, tell me what y'all have been doing to stay active and sane during this pandemic. Like, have you picked up any new trades, like working out or reading a book, going to the beach, riding a bike? I'm curious to know. I think I've picked up a few things. I got a book. I got my Miracle Surprised Me with Judge Lynn Toler book. So excited about that. I started on it, and I've been working out just a little bit. I would like to ride a bike. That would be nice, but I haven't. So anyways, let me know what y'all been doing. Hopefully y'all picked up some new trades as well to keep yourself busy and, like I say, sane during this pandemic.
Y'all see, yeah, you always in the vlogs, but you in the background.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, it feels so good. So we got our cars. I'll show you what all we got. Her car packed with stuff. We got jelly. Oh, she just won. Oh, what on? Oh, Sandcastle. Look, we got Jelly and Leah. The last vlog was the baby shower vlog. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have vlogs a while. And then we got Ava in the car. Miracle's getting her dancing up here. Y'all, look what we got back here. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. We're gonna show y'all this water. Y'all don't go in on us on our water. Our water's not clean, but it's pretty and it sounds good and it smells good. Let me show you. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Y'all, JBL's the best, I promise you. So I got my speaker lights up. I got that, it's charged. Got a charger, I got some wipes if we need those. And Miracle made some strawberry cookies. Girl, Miracle made some strawberry cookies yesterday out of strawberry cake mix. You gotta taste it.
Really? I got to.
It's so good. It's so good. Okay, y'all, let's get this together. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's some water. Oh, it's getting wet. Okay, let me organize this stuff because we need to set it up and organize. But and here is some Gatorade water and some wine. Hey, hey, Ava.
Say pretty.
Ava, Ava, look, Ava, look. Hi, Ava. She like that. Look at Leah. Leah chilling in the shade. Hey, Leah. She not even looking. So we was able to get the umbrella up, barely. These things are hard to put in. You see, we put some water down there, connected it to the chair. Y'all be careful, it's gonna fly away, I think. Yeah, there go Miko. My sister went to the store. You got shade, huh?
That ain't no problem.
The wind is blowing. Okay, I'm gonna have to get off of here so I can turn the music back on. She like it. I'm just thinking too. Yeah. Like it. Ava, hey, hey. So we're about to fly the kite. I'm about to hit me. Don't worry about that. But we got some water and some Gatorade in here and some tuna fish. I think I showed y'all that. I can't remember. But yeah, so we're about to put the kite up. She found the kite out here in Galveston. We got the kite up. Look, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's all the way up there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't touch my food. Oh my god. Ow! They're close. They're gonna get Ava. Look, Ava's there. Ava, they gonna get you, Ava. No.